kaibigan, gaya ng pinangako ko, magbabasa po tayo ng sulat. Ayan, mga letters sent through text ngayong gabing ito. At syempre pa mga kapatid, pipili ako from what was sent last Friday at mga pinadala ngayong gabi. Mga gidiw kong taga-subaybay. Dumango na naman po tayo sa inyong lolong kumpleto ang ngipin. Para po sa ating bagong portion na hindi pa aprobado ng boss pero ginagawa ko na. Ang TLC, the letter. Unang sulat na babasahin natin ay galing kay Anne. TLC letter to my dearest hubby. Even when we're apart, you're always the only man in my life. Even this time, too hard for us. We just need to think that not more than a year, we will be together and we'll make our time the most. Parang maguling grammar. I love you more than words and missing you so much. Only you, Mark Eldridge. Loving you, wifey, and Max. Kainis. Pangalawang sulat mga kaibigan, galing naman kay Laika. TLC letter, Dear Robbie, thank you for the 4 years of relationship that we've shared. Thank you for loving me. Nevertheless, I know that it has to end cause you just fall out of love with me. No? I just hope she'll love you more than I do. It's not easy for me to let go and see you happy in her company. I do not know when I will love again, but one thing's for sure. I will love him the way I wanted you to love me. Okay yun eh. I will miss you and I will never forget that somehow before you loved me. Goodbye. Love, Laika. Nakakalungkot naman yan. Sulat mga kaibigan from Ella. Sabi niya, TLC letter, Dear G. 3 years na akong nagmamahal sa'yo. Hanggang ngayon di mo pa rin ako. Hindi mo pa rin alam kahit naging tayo. Naging best friends tayo pero nasaktan o nasasaktan pa din ako pag tungkol na sa love life mo ang usapan. Gusto ko na lumayo. Nasimulan ko na mag-move on. I love you, thank you, and goodbye. From Ella. Okay? Yung mga nilalang yan na in love sa kanilang best friends, aka matalik na kaibigan. Si Penda Vlogs ba may best friend? Wala. Meron ba siya matalik na kaibigan, si Penda? Malalaman. Next letter natin mga kaibigan, si Joe Ben, TLC letter, Dear Isa, it's been a year since you left me. I cried too much. And I'm still grieving for your loss. I will always love you. I'll always miss you. Your 1-year death anniversary is 3 days away. She passed away mga kaibigan. I know someday we will meet again by God's will. You will always be in my heart. Love, Joe Ben. Mga kaibigan, with that, I'd like to play a song para po sa mga nilalang na nagpadala ng sulat para sa atin, tsaka po sa mga nilalang na nagpapadala na hindi natin mabasa palagi yung kanilang mga sulat. Pasensya na po kayo, we choose letters randomly. Tawag na po sa akin, Papa Jack sa Wild Confessions. Up next po. At ang song na ito mga kaibigan, para po sa lahat ng mga nagpadala ng sulat at para kay Joe Ben na yung kanyang girlfriend passed away a year ago. Sana magustuhan mo. Raymond Lauchenko.
We used to be frightened and scared to try things we don't really understand why. We laugh for a moment, then start to cry. We were crazy. Now that the end is already here, we reminisce about old yells and cheers. Even if our last hurrays were never clear.